Welcome to Bellabin's Chinese Food Kitchen. In today's kitchen, I'm going to share with you a recipe of braised eggplants. The main material for this plate are shown in this photo. They are eggplants, green hot pepper, ground Sichuan pepper, ginger, garlic clove, pork meat, canola oil, potato starch, and others shown on the photo. First step, let's remove the root part of eggplants. And then wash them. Then cut them. Cut in the middle. Cut in the middle. Now we have 4 segments for each eggplant. Then cut each segment. Cut in the middle, cut in the middle. Now we have 4 small strips for each segment. Then we put the small strips into a big bowl. Then add in half teaspoon of salt onto the eggplants. Sprinkle the salt on each piece of the eggplants. Then we wrap the eggplants. Make the salt go inside them. And wrap and wrap. Then set aside for about 20 minutes. Now we cut the green hot pepper. Cut off the root. Then remove the seeds. Then cut it into small strips. Then put the small strips into a plate. Next step, remove the top part of garlic clove. That part normally is dirty, so we remove them. Then we slice it into thin slices. We put the slices of garlic into the plate. Then we slice the ginger first. Then we cut it into small threaded. We put the threaded ginger into the plate. Then we use a small bowl. We add in ginger, add in garlic. Add in ground Sichuan pepper. Add in 3 teaspoons of soy sauce. Then add in half teaspoon of vinegar and 1/4 tablespoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of potato starch. Then add in 5 tablespoons of cold water. Stir, set aside. Then we cut the pork meat. Cut in the middle. Then we cut across the grain of the meat. We cut it into small slices. Then we put the slices of pork meat into the plate. Next step, we go back the eggplants. You see, there's some water come out from the eggplants. We put them in a dry paper. and then use a top paper absorb the waters on the eggplants. Now the eggplants become a dried one. Put them into a plate. Next step, we heat about 0.6 liter of oil in the wok. Heat about 5 minutes until there's no bubble come out from the bottom of the wok. Then we put in the eggplant strips. We add in half of the eggplant strips into the oil, and then another half need another batch of deep fry. Deep fry about a few minutes to see if it's good or still little bit hard, cannot go through quickly. Then deep fry another minute to try. Oh, now it's easy to go through, it's softer. So now it's good. We take out all the eggplant strips. Then put them into a plate. Then wait the oil to reach the high temperature. As long as you see there's no bubble come out from the bottom of the wok, then that's good. We put in the eggplants. We add in all the left eggplants into the oil. Deep fry a couple of minutes, or until the eggplant is soft enough. Then we take them all out and put them into a plate. Next step, we leave 1 tablespoon of oil in the wok, then add in the pork meat. Stir fry the pork meat until all pork meat change color to white. That means they're good. Then we add in the green hot pepper to stir fry until the pepper is softer. Then we add in the eggplants. Stir fry. Then add in the sauce mixture. We stir first, then add in the mixture. As you may see, there's not enough liquid in the wok, so we need to add in a little bit of water. Then stir fry. Oh, it's looking so nice. Like the garlic taste come out. You see, still not too much liquid. We add in a little bit of water again. Oh, now it's good. Stir fry. Now everything is good. We transfer the mixture to the plate. Wow, it's so nice a plate. It's also very tasty. How do you like my recipe? If you like my recipe, you can click subscribe button plus bell, and every time I have a new recipe coming, you are notified. Thank you. Keep well. See you next time.